Hi, I'm Ariel, a Malaysia-based fashion and wedding photographer. Today we continue our second episode on how to organizing and bringing your own gears out. So, by bringing your gears out, you will have more safety regarding on how you carry your gears. So for myself, if I going out for a small family trip or small walking through, I will bring this small bag. This is a black amber bag, carrying bags. It's quite small. We can accommodate two to three lengths and one body. And I bring this if I have an occasion dinners with my friends or with my wife. So this is quite small and compact bags for carrying, and this has a front opening for assessing the view of your gears itself, how many gears that you bring over. And the best function of this bag, which I very like a lot, is the upper opening of the bag itself. So upper opening, I can direct out the camera in the bag itself. So this will prevent me from dropping all the precious gear that I bring together on the day itself. Secondly, if I'm bringing for a bigger job, but I don't want to carry a lot, I bring a backpack. This is a tank backpack which can accommodate two cameras with four lenses itself, or three lenses with one flash. So this is a very compact setup, and then it's very simple to carry around, less fatigue and more organizing. In the inside, we have quite a good separator for the camera and the gear itself. So this, I have put a 70-200 for my last trip to Thailand, with a 70-100, 70-40 mm, a 85 and a 50, with one camera, two chargers and four batteries itself. So this is quite compact for the single carrying, and I put my clothing inside also. So it's a very big, although it looks very small, but actually the capacity of this bag is very big. Lastly and outermost is I'm using a roller bag. This is my roller bag, a think tank airport carry, which I use for my heavy duty work for weddings or gear that I need quite a lot. For safety purpose, this has a very good safety purpose, which you can lock your camera inside. But this lock is by my own. So I show you the opening of this bag. This bag is so this bag has a lot of compartments. First of all, the compartment will zip for carrying a small items like battery or the small accessory itself. And inside the bag is how I organize my bags. So I put two cameras here, a 70-200 here, this one is 70-200 here, and then all the small lens here, lens, two flashes, some ADC and my accessory here, and a free compartment for any extra additional item that I need to bring around. This bag is very big and very chunky, so it's not very convenient to stick and bring around. But good thing is it helps me to carry a lot more items, and it has a roller function that you can use to roll itself in the airport and etc. And this bag is quite heavy, roughly around 2 to 3 kg itself. So not recommended to bring whole day with this bag, but only for short distance travel, or you are using it to carry to overseas work or carry it for long distance work. It will be very practical than bringing a backpack or sling bag itself. So today, this the simple sharing that I will do for today. Hope you all learned something today, and we'll continue for our next episode for another way of bringing your items and carry it, and how to uh, so we'll continue in our next episode on how to keep your gear safe and how to really take care of gear itself. So see you all. Bye bye.